Today is the 22nd of February 2026. This video is the correct startup sequence for the audio and video system for use when JA is in session. First thing I typically do is turn on this power switch, walk over to the AC outlet box on the west wall of the gym, turn on two power switches, walk back over, and before I step up, I notice that there's a little box here, and that little box is a video switch. That determines what station, either the audio station or the video station, the video platform, has access to the overhead projector. And input number 3 comes from the video control platform. So what we'll do is we'll take the remote control and push number 3 there. You can also push this selector button here to get the same result. Then we turn on the mixer. I typically store the cover here. I reach behind, turn the mixer on, and wait. Takes a few seconds for the mixer to boot. Once that happens, we need to load the correct scene. In this case, the correct scene will be the Sunday scene. And we will choose under the Scenes menu, the View button. We'll look up at the display, step over one step, make sure that Sunday service is selected. We will push the Load button, and we will confirm that that's what we want. Then we'll move down here, turn up the main master of the audio, and we'll go over to this layer here and make sure that the video platform audio source is selected, and we'll move it up a third to a half of the way. Then we'll walk over to the video platform and turn on the audio or the video and audio power here at the AC strip, and then we'll wait. I typically wait until that logo goes out, and then I reach down here and push the on button for the computer just for about a second, and then we wait. Once the welcome screen is splashed up there, we move the mouse to this location here, click once, enter the pin, which is 1884. You can see that right here. 1884. Okay, the computer is working. Now we need to turn the projector on. We walk back over to the audio control platform, pick up the remote control, push the white button as you're aiming the remote control up at the projector. Walk back over. We look up at the projector and wait for it to turn on. That little white box in the upper right-hand corner, when that goes out, that means the projector is working and ready to receive audio or video. And I move the mouse over from the screen in front of me to the projector, and lo and behold, everything is working. Now, we need to consider the audio again. Make sure that these inputs are set approximately according to these icons. And when you play a YouTube video or whatever else, if you do not get audio, it is possible that the input has been switched from this computer to something else. So what you need to do is go down to the lower right-hand corner, select that little speaker icon and right-click on it, and the left-click on sound settings, and make sure that headphones, Realtek Audio, is selected. If it's not, select it, and that should take care of your audio issue. So that's the conclusion of the video.